Ever pondered over the source of your personal power and confidence? This is where our journey begins today, as we delve into the depths of our inner being. Imagine a reservoir of energy, a wellspring of confidence and personal power that's nestled within each one of us. This energy, potent and transformative, can shape and influence every facet of our lives, from the richness of our relationships to the trajectory of our professional success. When we tap into this energy, we unlock our true potential, our inner fire. We become more assertive, more decisive, more resilient. We stand tall, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually as well. Our self-esteem blossoms, our courage swells, and we become capable of achieving even our loftiest goals. Yet the source of this power isn't some external force or entity. It's not bestowed upon us or acquired through worldly means. The key to unlocking this power might just be within us, in a place called the Manipura solar plexus chakra. So what exactly is the Manipura solar plexus chakra? Let's delve into the mystic universe of chakras. The Manipura, or solar plexus chakra, is an intriguing aspect of human spiritual anatomy. Its Sanskrit name, Manipura, translates to lustrous gem, and it truly is a jewel in the array of our 7 chakras. Now, where can we find this gem? Picture it residing just above your navel and below your chest. It's a radiant spinning wheel of energy, living in the core of our being. But what makes the Manipura unique? It's the chakra associated with the element of fire. This isn't just any fire, it's the fire of transformation, the fire that fuels our willpower, ignites our motivation, and powers our ambitions. Think of it as your personal powerhouse. It's the chakra that governs our sense of self, our assertiveness, and our capacity to make decisions. When in balance, the Manipura chakra can make us feel empowered and focused, full of confidence and vitality. It's like having a little sun glowing brightly within, radiating warmth, energy, and positivity throughout our entire being. On the other hand, an imbalance in this chakra can lead to feelings of low self-esteem, indecisiveness, and control issues. It's a crucial energy center that affects our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. This chakra is believed to be the core of our personality, our identity, and our ego. Why is the Manipura solar plexus chakra so important, you may ask? Well, let's dive into it. The Manipura, or the solar plexus chakra, is the 3rd primary chakra according to the Hindu tradition. It is located in the navel area, a power center that fuels our sense of self, personal power, and ambition. The Manipura is often associated with the element of fire, and it's this fiery energy that fuels our self-esteem and motivation. It's as if we each have a miniature sun glowing within us, radiating energy and power. It's this energy that propels us forward, inspiring us to act, to create, and to make decisions that align with our deepest values and aspirations. When the Manipura is in balance, it can have profound benefits on our lives. It can help us to step into our power, to stand tall with self-assurance, and to make decisions with confidence and clarity. An equilibrium in the Manipura chakra helps us foster a healthy sense of self, enabling us to assert our will in a way that leads to the desired outcome. But the benefits of a balanced Manipura chakra don't stop there. It also aids in cultivating the courage and resilience needed to overcome life's challenges. It stokes the fire within us, empowering us to confront our personal and professional hurdles head-on. When in balance, the Manipura chakra can help us conquer our personal and professional challenges with confidence and grace. Let's summarize the key points about the Manipura solar plexus chakra. Nestled in our solar plexus area, this chakra is a radiant sun, a hub of energy and personal power. It is our source of self-confidence, self-esteem, and a healthy sense of self-worth. It is where our courage springs from, and it influences our ability to assert ourselves in the world. The Manipura chakra is not just about personal power. It also plays a significant role in our professional lives, helping us navigate the challenges we face and allowing us to shine brightly, just like the sun it symbolizes. When this chakra is balanced, it can bring a plethora of benefits, including increased confidence, clarity of thought, and the ability to make conscious choices. It paves the way for us to lead lives that are more fulfilling and rewarding. By understanding and balancing our Manipura chakra, we can unlock our personal power and lead a more confident and fulfilling life. If you found this video enlightening, do subscribe for more insights into the world of chakras.